Hello, my dear students. So, since beginning, you have doubts regarding the chapter The Third Level by Jack Finney. So, before starting this chapter again, let me give you the brief of this chapter. The first thing first, which you need to keep in your mind, is that this chapter is a science fiction. Fiction means a story which is not real. Okay, just keep this in your mind. A story which is not real. So, it's a science fiction story. The first theme of this chapter is time travel. Did you get that? Time travel. And the second theme is escapism. So this chapter basically deals with the two themes, time travel and escapism. The central character or the protagonist Charlie of this chapter is a regular visitor of his friend's, a psychiatric friend Sam, a psychiatrist friend Sam. He's a regular visitor of him, and every time he visited Sam, he tells his fascinations and stories and a kind of dream fulfillment to him and get a kind of consolation from him side. वो उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करता है. ठीक है. So this thing we need to keep in our mind that Charlie is a kind of mentally disturbed kind of person because he is visiting a psychiatrist. Okay, तो ये हमें ध्यान रखना है. So all these things, I'm telling you these things first. All these things, like there is an existence of third level on Railway Central, and Sam Wieners went to Illinois Galesburg in 1894. The getting of the first cover, that postcard, all these things are imaginary. Neither Sam Wiener and nor Charlie never went to 1894 Galesburg in Illinois. So this is the thing. This is all fiction. This is all imagination of Charlie. So let us see this. Okay. First of all, what we have given that Charlie is convinced that there are three, not just two. He is convinced that there is a third level also, means there is a platform also. And how he confirmed this thing that there were third level? It was like there were brass spitons, the corridor, and many things were made of wood in olden style. People were wearing old style clothes. Okay, so these are the things by which he confirmed that it is a third level. Now Charlie describes how one evening while hurrying home from office he decided to take the subway in the Grand Central Station and he reached to the third level. This is the beginning of the story. And he realizes, he compares the third level or the third platform to a growing tree. Growing tree because he said that every time when I visited Grand Central Station I always found new doorways. उसको हमेशा कोई ना कोई नई जगह पर जाके वो रास्ते खुलते थे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ थिंग कि जब वो अपनी इमेजिनेशन में हमें बताता है ही रीच टू द थर्ड लेवल, ही ट्राइड टू बाय द टिकट्स फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड हिज वाइफ, बट ही वॉज फेल्ड बिकॉज द करेंसी was of new currency and he need olden currency for the same thing. Okay, so he just went back from there. He was afraid of going to the jail as the ticket collector or the clerk over there he was threatening him that don't try to fool me. और वो समझ जाता है और वो कहता है कि किसी भी एरा में, दिस लाइन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस, कि किसी भी टाइम में जेल के बारे में तो कुछ अच्छा नहीं है. एंड ही वेंट बैक फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट विजिट. इसकी फर्स्ट इमेजिनेशन यहाँ पर होती है. सेकेंड इमेजिनेशन इसकी वहाँ पे होती है जब उसको फर्स्ट डे कवर मिलता है. एंड ही सेड दैट इट वाज साइंड बाय सैम वीनर दैट ही हैज़ स्टार्टेड grass, hay and all this kind of business over there because at that time people were not suffering from any kind of neuro diseases or any kind of mental disturbance. So that's why this is a kind of best business for him. Okay, so let's look at the character of Charlie. It will help us to understand the chapter. Charlie, the protagonist of the story, Charlie is a true representative of modern man. ठीक है, ये हमारी लाइफ का जो मॉडर्न मैन है, लाइक वी द लाइफ विच वी आर लिविंग, ही इज़ अ परफेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ आवर लाइफ. ही इज़ अ विक्टिम ऑफ स्ट्रेस, इनसिक्योरिटी एंड फियर and wants to run away from reality. Remember this thing, he always wanted to run away from reality. He is an escapist and want to escape from the world of harsh realities. He is fond of stamp collection, a hobby which he takes up to make his leisure hours more productive and fulfilling experience. But his psychiatrist friend calls it a temporary refuge from reality. उसकी एक हॉबी है स्टैम्प कलेक्शन की, जो वो करता है इन हिज लेजर टाइम, अपने खाली टाइम में उसको ये पसंद है. बट उसके साइकेट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड क्या क्लेम करता है, दैट इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ टेम्परेरी रिफ्यूज फ्रॉम रियलिटी. तुम थोड़ी देर के लिए रियलिटी से भागने के लिए उन पुरानी स्टैम्प्स में क्या देखते हो, एक रिफ्यूज देखते हो. ही अर्न्स टू लेड अ गुड सिंपल लाइफ ऑफ ग्रैंड फादर्स टाइम व्हेन थिंग्स वर प्रीटी नाइस एंड पीसफुल. वो एक ऐसी लाइफ जीना चाहता था जो उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने इन 18 के टाइम में जी थी, जहाँ पे पीपल वर quite idle, days were quite long, people used to sit outside their houses, they tend to spend a good time, and women used to made some kind of hand fans through some kind of wooden thing, है ना. So these were the things. So remember, इसके कैरेक्टर स्केच में ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ही इज़ एन इमेजिनेटिव पर्सन. इमेजिनेटिव, ये ध्यान रखना वर्ड, जस्ट कीप इट इन योर माइंड. He is an imaginative person, hence on the wings of imagination. Whatever the things which has been told to us, these were all his mere imagination. He takes a flight to the non-existent world. He takes a flight to the non-existent world. Okay, third level, Galesburg, Illinois were not existed, है ना. They were existed, but it is not possible to go there in that time. But after finding it once, he and his wife failed to find it again. In short, Charlie is the true representative of the modern man who is torn between the pulls and pressure of a hectic modern life and wants to escape since he is not happy. Okay, this is Charlie. Clear हुआ. Next हम बात करते हैं Louisa, the wife of Charlie. Louisa is Charlie's wife. She is loving and caring towards her husband. Okay, everything is fine. Even she believed her husband when he said that there is a third level on Grand Central Station. But the point of concern was there when he spent all his money and changed it to olden currency. This was the matter of concern for Charlie's wife, and she said that don't try to search for the third level now. Okay, she is a simple lady and it is not difficult to take her in. She refuses to accept the psychiatrist's observation that her husband is unhappy. First, she doesn't accept all these things जो भी सैम कहता है कि आपका हस्बैंड जो है ही वांट अ काइंड ऑफ एस्केप फ्रॉम द मॉडर्न रियलिटी और द मॉडर्न लाइफ, तो वो उसको नहीं मानती है. शी टेक्स हिज कॉमेंट एज अ पर्सनल अटैक एंड फील्स काइंड ऑफ मैड. वो उस कॉमेंट को ना, जो कि सैम वीनर ने उसके हस्बैंड के बारे में कहा था, वो उसे एक पर्सनल अटैक की तरह लेती है. ओके, so when Charlie talks her about his predicament regarding the third level, she gets alarmed and advises him not to look for the third level anymore. But Charlie जब उससे third level के बारे में बात करता है, then she get alarmed, and second time she get alarmed when he changed his whole currency to the olden one. So then she realizes that he is really want a kind of escapism. Okay. Now let's talk about Sam also. Character sketch of Sam is also important. Okay. So Sam is Charlie's psychiatrist friend. Sam is a psychiatrist by profession. He is a typical city boy. When Charlie shares his visiting third level, he tells him it is a walking dream fishful win. Okay, जब Charlie अपने ड्रीम के बारे में बताता है और a kind of ये सारी चीज़ें बताता है, he want to go in 18s in Galesburg, Illinois in 1894, तो he said that it's a kind of dream wish fulfillment for you. He tells him that he is looking for ways to escape since he is not happy. So he claimed that Charlie is not happy. That's why every time he used to find some kind of escape from the modern era. But he immediately revises his statement that Charlie is a victim of insecurities of modern life. लेकिन फिर वो थोड़ा सा अपने स्टेटमेंट को चेक करता है और रिवाइज करते हुए कहता है that he is a victim of modern life insecurities. Sam also gets fascinated by Charlie's description of Galesburg because everybody somewhere is pissed off the daily routine of the life. Me, you and everyone. Okay, हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में कुछ चेंज चाहता है. We all are just people who very soon we get fed up of everything. Okay, so he is also affected by the pulse and pressure of modern life that he thinks of escaping to the peaceful world of Galesburg of 1894. In the end, he discovers that the third level of Grand Central and goes there. He writes a letter from there advising Charlie and Louisa to keep finding the third level because it is worth. According to Charlie, Sam must have set up his little hay feed and grey business, as he can't go back to his old business as psychiatrists are reluctant in Galesburg of 1894. ओके, वो ऐसा लेटर रिसीव करता है सैम से, बट दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग बट, ओके, because this is all part of imagination of Charlie. So basically this chapter revolves around the imagination of Charlie. So this is the thing in this chapter. I hope you get it right now. Okay, so don't get confused. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.